In this video, you'll learn how to screen record on your Pixel 9 Pro or XL device. By following these instructions, you will be able to capture your screen activitylessly. Begin by swiping down from the top of your Pixel 9 screen to open the Quick Settings panel. This action will reveal a list of available options and features. So see all the available tiles. Swipe down again. Look for the screen record option among the icons displayed. If you do not see it, you may need to edit the panel to add it. This feature enables you to easily capture on-screen activities, but ensure that all necessary permissions are granted for a smooth recording experience. Next, tap on the screen record icon to initiate the setup process. A menu will appear, allowing you to choose whether to record audio and if you want to show touches on the screen. After making your selections, tap Start to begin the recording. You will see a countdown timer indicating that the recording is about to commence. During this countdown, prepare to perform the actions you wish to capture on your device's screen. Once the countdown finishes, everything displayed on your screen will be recorded. This includes any applications you open or settings you adjust. It's important to be aware that the quality of the recording may depend on your device's performance and available storage. If you are recording a longer session, make sure you have sufficient storage space to accommodate the video file. When you are ready to stop recording, swipe down again to access the notification panel. Here you will see the stop button. Tap this button to end the recording session. The video will be saved automatically to your Photos or Gallery app. It is advisable to review the recording to ensure that it captured everything correctly. You also have the option to edit or share the video directly from the gallery if needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.